Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manwa, I hate you and I like you. Chapter 3. Ek ho. I'm sorry, my fever has gotten worse after being in the cold water for too long. We can stop here if you want. I noticed your physical health is really bad. That's probably because I don't exercise much. Luckily today's lesson is over. Or else I would have fainted because of the bar graphs, fractions or whatsoever. Why don't you just take your medicine? It was left untouched since I came in. Yeah, right. No, this tastes so awful. I don't want to eat it. I must not let her know what sort of a loser I am. Anyway, Erin, what did you say earlier? I said, I hate Jaehyung Annie's girlfriend. I don't want to remember her age, but she's almost 15 years older than her. Old and unpretty. With that short brown hair, small eyes and thick lips on her square face. She always looks like a duck to me. Duck. But all of that doesn't matter. What matters is her condescending attitude. I still can't bring myself to like her even if she's not Jaehyung Annie's girlfriend. That old woman somehow gets on my nerves. She must be taking advantage of Jaehyung Annie's kindness. Ha ha ha. What are you laughing at? I'm sorry. I've just found out that you are so cute when you get anger. Like a kid whose candies were taken away. Touch. She doesn't push me away. Rub. I slowly know how to approach her now. Young Erin, is it alright if I want to comfort you this way? You do look like my mom when you smile, mom. She apparently doesn't know what romance is. Student council. Switch off. It's been 4 days since then. She always has a reason to reject my video call. What is it that she's trying to hide from me? If I'm just simply waiting, it doesn't mean she will tell me everything herself. I got it, you miss me, right? But if I speak to her about it, things are definitely going to be so awkward between us. Come to think of it, teacher is always sensitive whenever I mentioned her past relationships and family matters. Sigh, I should have known this from the start. Jaehyung Nuna. Did you approve this week's article about Miss Lee? It seems that the whole school are aware of her relationship status now. Student Council President. What? My God, is this real? Notice board. That's so hard to believe. This is crazy. If it's true, I'm so disappointed. Hey look, it's the Vice President. I heard that she's Miss Lee's favorite student. She looks disappointed like us as well. Notice board. Teacher Lee is in relationship with a student. Guess what? Jundok High's biology teacher Lee Yoon-hee is in a secret relationship with a student for a time now. These days, they've been coming out from the hotel together. Notice board. A pretty teacher and a young student. What could they do together in there? In 3 more days, if they still remain silent, I'm gonna expose everything about them. Are you game, Annie? Scratch. Oh, Jaehyung Annie is getting mad. It's the first time I've seen our vice president reacting this way. How hilarious. Publishing such an insane article without my permission. Whoever dares do this, be prepared that you aren't going to write well with your hands. 2C Classroom. Hey everyone, don't go home yet. Come take a look. It's about our homeroom teacher. She's dating a male student. What? No way, that's so terrible. It's true. Come, I'll give you all a copy. You see, there's even a picture of her with that student. His identity isn't mentioned yet. OMG, it really is teacher. Teacher Lee is in relationship with a student. Annie, recess is over. Why did you call me here? You saw the school paper already, right? I did. It looked a bit unreal to me, but if that's true, you'd better talk it out with her as soon as possible. I couldn't contact her last night. What? That sounds fishy. Could it be that she and the guy were? Erin, that was me. That was me and her in the photo. I had to disguise myself so that nobody would find out about our relationship. Baffled. But for some reason, this person managed to get a lot of evidence to write against us. How did you figure that? It bothered me a lot, the word Annie they used at the end of the article. I'm not so sure if they're referring to me or her. Annie, what are you trying to talk about? Annie, turn around and look at me. Are you suspecting me right now? Annie, why didn't you say anything? Are you real? I am not suspecting you. Young Erin, you're my friend and my sister. Never once in my life had I wanted to doubt you. In fact, I don't really care who's behind of all this mess. But if I were to remain silent, we would get exposed on the paper soon. I got to find out who did this or else teacher would be in danger of being fired. Erin, did you by chance let anybody else hear about it? Did someone played you around these days? Tell me, Erin, I need a confirmation from you first. In the end, I'm still the first person that comes into her mind. Jahyun Annie, cool, even if I said that was me, what do you do? If I said, I've always wanted to separate you from her, because I like you, what are you going to do, Annie? What did you just say? Erin, you're just joking. Whether it was just a joke or whether it wasn't, it doesn't matter. What matters is you. Yesterday it was teacher and the next second it was me. You do seem to have a lot of trust issues in me. You should have known that more than anyone. If your beloved teacher gets fired, the one that should be blamed for is you. Jahyun Annie, you dragged her into the mess when you are still her student. You doubt everyone around you when it was you who started off on the wrong foot. I don't know how Miss Lee dealt with a distrustful kid like you, but as for me, you'd better not talk to me until you come to your senses. It's been 3 days. Young Erin hasn't come over to my house for 3 days. I can walk easily by myself now, but still unable to attend today's PE classes. Weirdly enough, Erin skipped today's class as well. I wonder what's happening to her. Changing room. Doors opened. Wait, she's probably here. Are you there, Erin? Erin, what happened? Rush. Erin, what's wrong? Why are you crying? It's not your business. It surely is not my business. But it hurts me to see you cry. Your eyes are almost swollen. Do you feel hurt anywhere? Yeah, Kim Jisoo. Blow. Phew, what are you doing? I heard that it can help relieve your pain. Go relieve yourself. Ouch, I just wanted. Don't come near me. No, Erin, I'm sorry. She hasn't said anything for 20 minutes. 2 hours ago, young Erin, tomorrow 5:10 am, abandoned house near school. In case you wanna know who your homeroom teacher truly is. Annie, long time no see. I'm so glad that I'm the first person you wanted to see after you're back to the country. Slap. You little brat, how many times have I told you to step out of my life? Annie, I don't know what you are talking about. You dare talk back at me. Such a poorly written school paper. You think I don't know it was you from the start. Haha, should I feel glad that you still remember about me, Annie? I don't give a such asterisk about how you feel. If you continue your foolishness at my workplace, I'll make sure your sister kicks you out of the country again. Annie, you can't do that. You won't do that to me. Remove the article. I don't have much time to play with you here. Annie, don't go yet. I don't understand, why do you have to protect her that much? Grip, you don't love her, do you? She's just a kid. If you no longer loves my sister, why don't you just date me instead? You are disgusting me. Annie, I've known you for 9 years. I've seen everything that you had to give up since the day you quitted your dream job. It hurts me even more to see you risk your future with such a young kid. I can't believe someone who always embraces the rationality like you chose to start a relationship with her out of all people. Annie, please break up with her. I promise I won't expose her identity. Please, Annie. If you think that could be a threat to me, then you're wrong. Wrong, Annie. Maybe you should have known. I've already figured out your weakness. The reason you're transferred to this school was because of young Erin, am I right? Because she... What? Because she is your... Erin, are you listening? Did you hear about Miss Lee? What about her? What did you hear? The rumor, of course. I've just known about it this morning, and fortunately it was denied the next minute. What? Who denied it? The culprit. When P.A. class started, I was walking around and saw the principal coming into a room by the notice board with someone. Then when I turned to see today's school papers, the culprit confirmed the rumor was playfully edited from 2 different photos. What a relief. Hee. I know a homeroom teacher is not that sort of a person. That's not what I heard this morning. What did you just say, Miss Lee? Please fire me. Why is it, Ms. Lee? You are innocent. All of these will soon be forgotten in a month's time, especially when the final exam comes. It's too hard to find a transfer teacher as good as you these days. Your research paper is only halfway done. The principal was so looking forward to it. Principal, I really am sorry if what I'm doing now disappoints you. I'll be trying to finish it this month, so could you please respect my choice? I'm afraid that if I continue to work here, I'll be a negative influence on all of the students and the school's reputation itself. I'll give you 2 weeks to reconsider your decision. Open. Hey, look, she's coming out so quickly. I'm so curious. What could they have talked about? Teacher. Pass. She looks so down even when the rumor was denied. Teacher, we have a class tonight. Are you in there? Come in. Teacher, where are you? Why didn't you turn the light on? Teacher, what happened? Turn on. Jae-hyun, let's talk. The author misspelled it. Must have been, let's break up. Instead they hurt my eyes. I hate them. Erin, you mean you don't hate me? Jump. Throw. You are the most annoying. What? That person blackmailed you. She's just my acquaintance. Things are fine now. But you're resigned. Why did you do that? Because I want you to focus on yourself. What are you talking about? Did I do anything that makes you uncomfortable? Please tell me. I will. Relax, Jae-hyun, you're being too cautious. I know that you care for me, but sometimes I feel like you forgot that we're equal. If I were to tell you the truth, my life would still end up fine being fired. I can easily get through all of this and find another job. But you're not the same. Jae-hyun, you still have a long way ahead. I don't want you to get stuck in a relationship that would only sink both of us. No, teacher, it was not a. It's a warning for us, Jae-hyun. This will happen again someday if I stay. I don't want to ruin your future. But what about your dissertation? Your job? You gave up them all just. I don't give them up. I want to start over, can't you see? Teacher, I'll mature. I'm gonna protect you. Haha, this kid. Suddenly this reminds me of the first time I saw you. You didn't look like the person I could rely on. Are you going alone today as well? Why did it had to be you? I don't know. I didn't want to know. So I ran out. I always thought of us as a mere mistake. I never expected to meet you again. But destiny probably loved to play around with us. Jae-hyun, what was the reason of our meeting? Even when I pretended I didn't remember you. Even when they're all starting talking trash on me. Why do I always feel like letting you go is much more complicated than I thought? I'm sorry. Thank you. Erin, why do you come here all of a sudden? I thought you're still mad at me. I'm not a kid who can't deal with trivial misunderstandings, not to mention Annie. I don't like you in that way. It was just a joke out of frustration. Oh, never mind. I know that. I still don't want to talk to Annie yet, but this is more important. Annie, please tell me all that you know about Miss Lee. Erin, don't tell me it was Ms. Lee that you liked. Who the hell would like her? I'm not crazy like you. Okay, I got it. But why do you suddenly want to know about her? Why else? I want to make sure if she's good for you. Of course she's good. What do you want to know? Where's her hometown? That's a weird question. She was born in Korea and emigrated to England for a time. Have you met her parents? I haven't. She rarely talks about them. Does she have brothers or sisters then? Nope. She said she was the only child. Sigh, I don't know who I should believe in now. Erin, why don't you come to the canteen with your friends? It's better to eat alone. Why? Why? I don't know. They don't want to sit at the same table with me because of my appearance or because of my intense personality. But that's fine. Having you by my side now is more than enough. What did you say to me at that time? The first time you approached me. What was the first thing that you said? Ah, haha, over a year has passed. I don't really remember. Do you? Yeah. Ugh, what is it? Is she trying to reject me again? Did I say something wrong? I'm gonna leave if you don't tell me now. No, don't. I'll tell you. I'll tell. That time, Aisa said I really liked you. Please give me a chance. Do you want to be my girlfriend? Right, those stuff. I do. Kim Jisoo, let's be girlfriends. First day of dating. I don't know why I asked her to be my girlfriend. I must have been tired of loneliness. Erin, are you feeling any better? Didn't I tell you not to come? This is too unprecedented. Even my mom lets her in. Oh, you said you fell sick, so I'm fine now. You can leave. Ah, can't I stay? I'm so worried for you. Stop acting cute. Never mind. I shouldn't have let you know where I live. I just wanted to visit you. I'm sorry. Am I still dreaming? It's just beyond my expectation. Erin, you really let me in. My mom let you in. But does that mean your mom accepts me? You know, can we do girlfriend stuff here? Right, I haven't thought of that. Come up here, I gotta remind you of this. Oh, okay, let me make it clear. Yesterday when I told you we could be girlfriends, it simply meant I gave you a chance. You want to go out with me, fine. But in return, there are some rules you must obey. Alright, tell me. I'll certainly do my best to be a good girlfriend for you. Hope so. First, you must not kiss me. Second, you must not kiss me. Third, you must not kiss me. Easy, isn't it? Of course, if you'll listen to me well. Maybe I can reward you. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa, I hate you and I like you. Chapter 4. If you listen to me well, I can reward you. For some reason I want to bite her. I want to see her reaction when I pretend to return her feelings. Badum. Young Erin, she just bit me, wash it. Ugh, what do I do? She licks my ear. No. I must not. Erin, my heart. Did she really bite me? I should have stayed away from this idiot. But to see someone losing their control just because of my sudden impulse, it's not bad. Good. It's not a dream, right? It's not high. OMG, it's real. She's looking at me, my queen. What the hell? How can a person be this dumb? Do you show this foolish side of yours to me only, including your current appearance without such a strange makeup? I accept my uncle. You're the second I can completely be myself when hanging around. Because my uncle and Miss know. My uncle says that if I only show you my bad side, you will never turn to look at me. And who's the first? Oh, my best friend in junior high, but I suddenly lost her contact since graduation. Yungain Toroxro, 5:10 am, abandoned house near school. In case you wanna know who your homeroom teacher truly is. Who are you? Let's meet. X Cafe, 5 p.m. This Sunday. You must go alone. This Sunday. You go with me. Alone, you're here. Erin. Tada, let's go together. I'll take you to anywhere you want. I'm not going. Erin, what's wrong? Didn't you ask me to accompany you to a cafe today? Why do suddenly you change your mind now? Erin, wait, let me take my bike. Where are you going? If you don't want to go to the cafe. I just saw a mall nearby on the way here. There must be lots of cafeterias and restaurants. I remember telling you to come only. But look what you're doing now. It's too funny that you're expecting me to ride on that bike with such an uncomfortable back seat. I don't like bikes. I'd rather go on foot or queue up for bus tickets. Could you keep that in mind? I'm sorry, I didn't know then. Erin, can you wait a bit? I'll find a parking lot and we. No need. I'll go myself, you can go home now. But Erin, it's not safe to go far alone. All thanks to you. Taxi. I made her upset again. Erin, watch out. Don't leave me. Little girls nowadays, look, they can't let go of each other. She's going by a taxi. I gotta be real quick to catch up with her. Get on. Can you see the cafe by the traffic lights? Just wait here until I get out. Why can't we go in together? Because it's not safe there. Unsafe. Why do you insist on going then, Erin? Who are you seeing? A psychopath. I'm not sure what she's going to do, so you'd better be smart enough to take action if something goes wrong. Alright, Erin, you can count on me. I'll protect you at all costs. Annie, maybe you should have known I've already figured out your weakness. The reason you're transferred to this school was because of young Erin, am I right? Because she is your beloved sister. Smile. Just like your 10 years ago. What a pretty grip. What shall I do with her, Annie? Go on sexually assaulting her like how you did to me that time. I'll show you what hell means. Pull. Not scared of me, Uni Annie's baby sister. Watch your mouth, I don't have any sisters. How rude. What is this meeting for? I heard some people making up rumors about me. Rumors? Those aren't rumors, they're all true. Anybody can say it. Girl, the fact that you want to see me says I have major benefits for you now. Now that you're here, what do you have to repay me then? Beep. I don't do anything for free. And I don't hope to see that little swamp rat of yours interrupt our precious time. Whether you are a cafe owner, a pathetic stalker or an aggressive abuser, I couldn't care less. Yet coincidentally, Teacher Lee always tried to approach me, while you out of nowhere had my phone number. Just when everyone thought her career was ruined, you made her get back to work as if nothing happened the next second. This silly game from both of you. I don't buy it. Silly game. Understandable. It's natural not to believe in a stranger's words. Even if I want to tell you everything from the beginning, that'll be too risky once Yoonhee and me finds out. However, I think for someone as smart as you, these pictures in my hands are enough. Why should I trust you? Why? Because I've no time to think of lies. Take a look. These photos are horrendously beyond imagination. 8 years ago, because of this heartless unmarried couple, Yoonhee and me almost died in an accident. No, how could it be an accident? They, your ungrateful biological parents, deliberately crashed into her, in order that you can live a comfortable life. When Yoonhee and me woke up from a 10-month coma, do you know what was the first thing she said? She said she wanna see you with the ventilator and all sorts of tubes, bandages all over her face and body. You figured what happened next already, ain't ya? She slowly became the person we barely recognized, and never spoke about you again. Had it not been for Yoonhee and me's kindness, do you think you can still live in that luxurious house? You're psycho, aren't you aware of what you're saying? Right, psycho. Pull out. Unfortunately, nobody's going to save you from this psycho. Quick, he ran this way, be careful, I saw him holding a knife. Sirens, police car. How annoying. Pub, push. What? She's so strong. Let me remind you, don't ever expose it. Cause if you're planning to take revenge for teacher, I'm afraid God won't be on her side again in the worst case scenario. Erin, I'm here. Was everything going well? As expected, she is indeed a psycho. What? Did she do anything to you? You didn't send me any signals when the door was closed, so I decided not to interrupt you. No, why are you holding your waist? What happened? It's no big deal. Just something came up while I was waiting for you. What's something? When it was getting dark, I heard a man shouting at me from behind. Before I moved over, he bumped into me and hurt my waist. He was running very fast. Just when I realized that he was a thief, another guy turned the corner and chased after him. Then came the police. Take your hand off. Take your hand off. But it doesn't look good. You might not want to see it. Get your bike here. I'll give you a ride to the local hospital. It's just a minor injury, I can treat it later at. Minor? It's bleeding. Can't you see? How old are you? I was only away for half an hour, but look at the mess you got yourself in. When someone just stabbed you, is this how you take care of the injury? Why are you so dumb? Erin, you're so scary, scared me to death. Be grateful that he didn't stab you to death. Yes, I'm grateful, extremely grateful. Quick, get your bike. I don't want to go to the hospital. Then where the hell do you want to go? Anywhere but the hospital. Raise your arm. But, Erin. Grasp. I don't think this is okay. So you can care for wounds on the back yourself. No, I am mean. Then raise your arm. I mean, this is awkward. You can still clean it with my clothes on. That will only make it worse. Besides, there's no need to feel awkward, we're both girls. I'm not willing to look at you either. Anyway, is your mom always on business, Erin? I would be surprised if she stayed home. You must have felt lonely. That's not a big deal. At the very least, she raised me. I'm quite jealous of you, Erin. I couldn't even remember how my mom used to treat me. Pause. Flinch. I didn't mean to hurt you. The cut is a bit deep, so it's nearly impossible not to feel so. That's a bad habit. Move. Erin, you don't have to lean in so close to talk. It's not really that hurt. I can still bear with it. Then why do you seem so tense when I touch you? I didn't. Don't underestimate me. It's done. If there are signs of infection, you must go to a doctor. Got it? Will do. Taran, thank you so much. Erin. Who told you to turn around? Frown. Your ungrateful biological parents, deliberately crashed into her. Had it not been for Yoonhee and Nee's kindness, do you think you can still live in that luxurious house? Do you think? Kick. Bloody hell. What was it? Why was I dreaming about her? Grip. Next morning. So, she's your girlfriend. Blush. No. Just a close classmate. Not my cup of tea. Ah, I see. It is the first time I've seen Erin with a new friend, so I'm just a bit curious. Your name is Jisoo, right? Yes, Sinbei. I heard about you a lot. You're Erin's friend. Just call me Annie. I'm sorry about that time. I thought you were after Erin, but not with good intentions. Oh, haha, you don't need to, Sinbei. I don't mind that. Pick. This one tastes better. Thank you, Annie. My pleasure. Sorry. I gotta go to the bathroom a minute. What's wrong with her? She didn't even eat anything this morning. Hey, Erin, she's really just your friend. Then what the hell are you expecting? No, I'm just asking. Did I tell you I just met a new student council member who showed a strong attachment to nerdy types? I think I can introduce Jisoo to her later. Why do you have to do that? Oh, why, Annie, how can you say that as a vice president of student council? Come on, we know they all are secretly going out. As long as the relationship doesn't affect their study. But Jisoo usually gets poor grades. A relationship will only drag her down. Don't worry. This girl will be a good influence on Jisoo if they start to have a thing. She's a new transfer student from one of top tier high school. But Jisoo. I'm back. I seem like a third wheel to them. Sigh. Jisoo, what type of person do you like? What do you mean, Sinbei? Your ideal type. Come to think of it, I don't actually have ideal type. Maybe pretty. That doesn't count. It's human nature. We all like to see good-looking people. By the way, are you seeing someone? I can't say yes, right? No, Sunbay, I'm not seeing anyone. That's good since you're Aaron's friend, you're my friend, too. If I can be any help, you can come ask me. Ah, thanks, Sunbay. But, it's strange. Why are you asking me all of these? Well, I've got a new friend. She likes someone like you, therefore, if you happen to like her as well, let's set up a date. Well, let me show you her photo, she's very pretty. Relax. Scroll. Annie. Jisoo has a girlfriend. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa, I hate you and I like you. Chapter 5. Oh, girlfriend, who is it? Glare. Wait, I didn't do anything wrong. It was her who said we were only friends first. Relax. I don't know who she's dating. You didn't tell me that, right, Jisoo? What is it? Why does she want to hide our relationship from Jaeha and Sunbay? Right. That's right. Then how can you go along with it so easily? Not only had you lied to Jaehyung and me, you were about to see another girl behind your girlfriend's back, you know that. Haha. It's fine, there must be a good reason for it. Sunbay is totally the opposite to Erin, such an attitude. She must have learnt it from teacher. School time is over. Well, I've got to get back to the club now. I'll see you around sometime, Jisoo. It is great to be friends with you, Sunbay. Jaehyung and me has always been like that. Classroom cleaning Dooth, October 23, 2012. Kim Jisoo Tung Erin. She is a soft-hearted person. That's why when she sees those who look vulnerable just like you, she might want to start taking care of you one way or another. She keeps on talking about Jaehyung Sunbay after getting back to class. So just clear your mind with what she said earlier. I was sad. Erina, we're not really dating or anything, right? Look at me. When did we stop being in that kind of relationship? You only treat me like a friend. It was because I really don't know what love means. Can you show me that? But Erin, you are too my first love. I have no idea what it means either. What an idiot. What else shall I expect from her? Well, never mind, let's just pretend I have never said anything. Quickly get things done. I don't wanna waste time with you anymore. Wait a sec, Erin. Did I perhaps say anything wrong? Really? Did you? What's with you again? Who said you can hold my hands? Next time when you're feeling down, can I hold your hands like this? I'm not feeling down. I saw you left the strawberries untouched earlier. You still had time to notice that. It's just because I like you really much. Fool. From that day on, everything goes quite well between us. Even though Erin may act tough on the outside, she gives in eventually. Erin question, how do we answer that? Sometimes Jaehyung Sunbay came to our class and invited me to join them to either the canteen or the library. It was a bit awkward at first, but I think I know why Erin fell for Sunbay. She really is a kind, protective and considerate sister. During other classes, particularly PA lesson, all classmates start to realize we are an inseparable pair. I try to spend a little spare time to make her laugh. Well, maybe she doesn't think I'm funny. Erin was not happy with the idea in the beginning, but now I can freely come over her house after school for studying. Both her mom and her cat don't give a damn about my existence anymore. Erin looked tilted. It's the first flakes of snow. Come to think of it, winter break comes a bit sooner this year. You realized that. It would have been so great if your mother allowed us to spend the holiday together. Being able to greet every season with her feels like heaven. We've been together for almost 2 months. But nothing actually happened. Maybe that was the reason I'm getting a bit too greedy today. Kiss. Look at this cat, it's gone crazy. Look at this cat. Shove. Yeah, Kim Jisoo. What the hell do you think you've just done? How dare you kiss me? Sorry. What about the rules? You forgot that. Yes, I mean, no, Erin, you said kiss. So, it's not impossible to give you just a peck on the cheek, right? Besides, I wanna say thank you for helping me get better marks this semester. Thanks to you, I don't need to attend cram school now. If you're still angry, you can get revenge. Why no? Peck me back on the cheek as well. Grasp. What is it? Don't tell me she's really going to. Speak. Did I allow you to kiss me? Squeeze. Oh, no. OMG. Her skin is so soft like a baby pinch. Pinch. If I try to be objective about Kim Jisoo, she looks a bit attractive. Even when she barely wears makeup, those lips of hers were soft and hot. Totally the opposite of how she usually shows up at school. Push. I've no interest in doing silly things with you. Just stay here and reflect on yourself. I'm going to get something to drink. Sorry, I won't. Don't you dare remind me of it ever again. What do I do? Now. She hates it. I shouldn't have just done that without her permission. God, I'm so screwed. Erin's ears are turning red. Something is so weird with me just now. Why did I think kissing her was not that bad? No, I'm crazy. She's dumb and ugly. Looking, I only date her because I am bored. Starting tomorrow, don't come near me again. I thought it was a joke. But Erin really hasn't spoken a word to me for 2 days. If only I didn't kiss her. No. I can't let this go on anymore. Be smarter, Kim Jisoo. Ugh. What to do? Staff room. Today Erin went straight to staff room instead of going home as usual. I saw Miss Lee as well. What are they doing exactly? Let's just wait here and talk to Erin as soon as possible. What are your intentions with Jaehyung and Nee? Annie is the only friend I have. You almost put her at risk of being exposed 2 months ago. I don't think you should show up at school if you're serious about her. Haha, right. I heard from Jaehyung that you and Kim Jisoo are getting along really well these days. What about her? Tweeted. She's not your friend. It's none of your business. Just cut to the chase. Well, you see, the principal isn't satisfied with the work I submitted, so I'm only here to discuss with him later. Regarding your question, I believe I've never done anything wrong to your friend so far. Does that bother you, young Erin? Your presence is what bothers me. I know. Don't you wonder why? It's obvious. You must have had a crush on Jaehyung for a long time. What else do you know? You are dating Jisoo? Probably. Yeah, it was me who asked her out. Why do I have to date someone I'm not attracted to anyway? Are you saying you started a relationship with Jisoo just for a bit of fun? Oh, how sensitive. I don't remember saying that. Did I just hear my name? But maybe you're right. Kim Jisoo's an idiot. It's indeed fun to talk with her. You, saying those words about someone who likes you when she isn't here is too impolite. Why are you so angry? Am I not allowed to get angry about the way you speak? Nobody wants to be treated like a toy, Erin. Just as expected, she's triggered. There's a limit to how idiotic one can get, you know. After all, Jisoo's still your friend. Even if she can't be what you expected, you should have at least learned to respect her. You taught me that already in the infirmary, Miss Lee. What? Infirmary? You mean that one time when you broke her leg during PE classes? Right, now that I think about it, you always expected me to befriend Jisoo even when you knew I didn't like her. I wonder if that's because it was the best way for you to make me less likely to hang out with Jaehyung and Nee. Well, I was bored anyway. Until the day I find someone I like. Wasting my time with her doesn't sound as bad as it seems. What's that noise? Let me take a look. Oh, Jisoo. Yeah, how long have you been here? God, I wanna smack her. Hey there, Jisoo. Long time no see. Ah, hey Jisoo. What the? How dare she not answer me? Yeah, Kim. Jisoo. Yeah, stop right there. Jisoo. Kim Jisoo. Yeah, what's with you all of a sudden? You followed me this whole time. Hey, answer me. Are you listening? Jisoo. The conversation just now. What did you hear? Grit. I knew it. You heard everything. You're making a big deal out of nothing. I didn't mean it. I was just trying to provoke Miss Lee. You know I don't like. Wait a sec. I haven't told her about teacher and Jaehyun and me yet. What do you take me for? What? From the start, what did you take me for? Why did you ask me out? I want an honest answer. You are so cruel. No wonder all your words were always and clearly said. You kept pulling me closer but then pushing me away. Yeah, I'm stupid and nothing more than a toy. But that doesn't mean I don't have feelings. I tried not to be hurt. Every time you kicked me out of your life, every time you got mad at me for no reason. You just don't like me. Not one bit. Because you don't like me, you never treat me kindly the way you treat Jaehyun Sunbae. I thought you didn't mind it. How could I not mind? The thought of you leading me on, giving me false hopes, making me believe that I was your potential love interest. Let's break up. What did you just say? I said let's break up. This isn't right. I can't continue this relationship with you anymore. I don't understand. I thought that my silliness would calm her down, but I ended up making her cry. It was so sudden that I couldn't say anything. The sound of her crying, all of her words, they echoed painfully in my head. I can't continue this relationship with you anymore. It's terrible. The moment I realized I'd hurt her this badly. Sigh. Should I talk it out with her later? But what is there to say? Now if I said I didn't approach her for fun, wouldn't I look more like a hypocrite? I can't tell her. The thought of teacher possibly being my sister got me frustrated and burst out such words either. If I explain, no, why should I explain? She will come to me eventually. Creak, slide, pass. What the F, see? Break time. What the F, seeking hell? How dare she ignore me 4 hours like I'm not existed? Not listening to anything actually. Is she really going to cut me off? 10. Yeah, take off your headphone, you coward. Erin, Jisoo, wanna come to the library? Jisoo's not joining today. What's wrong? I don't know. She's not feeling well. Huh, is she sick? I think so. Then we should let Jisoo take a rest. Do you want to stay here and take care of her? Not necessary. She's not a kid. Haha, you, Jaehyun Sunbae. Oh, you know. Did you just mention someone named Kim Jisoo? Glance. It's strange not to see you being cooped up in the student council office. What brings you here today? Are you looking for Jisoo? I'm not. I only happened to walk around and see you here. Your friend probably just has the same name as someone I know. Oh, that makes sense. Jisoo is a very common name. Natural wavy hair. Contact lens. Long lashes with neutral nude eyeshadow. Orange coral lipstick, just like a professional makeup artist. She really puts much effort on dressing herself. Is this your friend, Sunbae? Yes, Erin's your age. Jisoo's in the same class as her. Ah, I see. Why don't you just come in and take a look? I reckon she's really your type to look at. My type? Really? You mean nerdy type? Hahaha, you won't believe it, Sunbae. I bumped into many good-looking nerds these days, I swear. Stare. Oh, sorry. You must be Vice President's best friend Young Erin, right? It's Kang Yuna from Class 2H. Nice to meet you. I hope we can be good friends. I am not looking for a friend. She's rude. Haha, that's fine. This sounds familiar. This voice. Haha, let's hope Jisoo doesn't mind having a friend. Should I ask her first? Jisoo's not feeling fine now. She's sleeping. Yoonpa, yeah. Yoonpa. Isn't your name Yuna? Kang Yoonpa. Jisoo. Oh my crybaby. Jisoo, yeah. Her crybaby. Yeah, Yoonpa. Don't call me that. Why? You don't cry anymore. Of course I don't. I'm so happy to be seeing you more often now. Come a bit closer here, let me take a look at your face. Wait, my glasses. You are beautiful. Those pimples are completely gone now. But Yunpa, why didn't I see you when we've been going to the same school? Which class are you in? I'm in an upstairs class. I've just transferred for 2 months. You know me, I rarely walk out of class unless there's work to do, so maybe that's why we couldn't bump into each other. I see. You just disappeared from sight since middle school. Sorry, my family had lots of businesses to deal with then. It must be fate that we meet again, don't you think? Right. You are even more pretty and adorable than before. Jisuya. Haha, they look cute together, if only I knew. Gross. Erin, where are you going? Didn't you say we're heading to the library? Let's go. Turn. What makes it different from that? You are just being nice to anyone. Anyway, how is it going with your girlfriend? How did she know? How do you? Jaehyun Sanbei tells me that. Jisoo. I've never had a girlfriend. There's nothing between us. Who dared break her heart? It's okay. Can I come to your house tonight and have a sleepover like before? Sleep over. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa, I hate you and I like you. Chapter 7. Let's go home. Let's go home. Let's go home. Jisoo's apartment. It's getting a bit too cold here. Has been standing for 20 minutes. Seriously, I should just get going. Whatever she wants to do with that girl has nothing to do with me. Can I come to your house tonight and have a sleepover like before? Good night, Jisoo. No, I'm not going anywhere. What kind of best friend was that? Should I give her a call first? Wait, I don't have her number. What do I do? Come to think of it, I've never sent her a message before. She didn't say anything though. Why are you standing there? What the actual FCK? Awkward. If you don't have anything to say, just leave. She looks so cold. Where is your friend? Won't she come over tonight? Why? I'm only curious. You see, she's I mean, since she's not here, we can have a talk about the breakup. Kim Jisoo, don't you think we're still better off as friends? I don't want to be your friend. Can't you get it? I've had enough of seeing your face. The only friend I have is about to come, you know the way out. Bite. What can I do for you so that you won't get mad at me anymore? What can I do for you so that you won't be mad at me? What was it? I must have misheard, right? Impossible. She could even make such a face. I don't understand. What are you trying to do, making that kind of face and asking me such things? I was joking. Can you just pretend you didn't hear what I said? Sorry, I blurted it out with joking. You think it's funny trying to lead me on with all these jokes again? Why do you love joking so much when it comes to me? Tell me, what was the matter? You didn't even mention any of the reasons why you wanted to play with my feelings, and now you're here asking me to stop being angry with you. How could you do that? Young Erin, I thought you would be different from them. But it turned out you all were just liars. Let me go. Look, Kim Jisoo, it's not like I'm begging for your forgiveness or anything. I know I hurt you, but don't ever try to make it seem like it was only you who felt uneasy. Push, you can't even understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I don't understand. How am I supposed to understand when all of your words were always unclearly said? So the problem was me. Why can't you learn to be smarter? Right, I'm stupid. Talking to you makes my head go dizzy. Let's leave it at that. I'm also too done talking to you. Shouldn't have come in the first place. Get away. I don't want to be here any longer. Jisoo, yeah, I brought some video games for your baby. Babe, You said it will be just the two of us. Ah, hi, I'll be staying the night here too. Excuse me, I can't really handle spicy food. Could you mind not adding too much hot pepper? OMG, sorry, I forgot asking you about that. Since we agreed to have hot pot, I just added some bamboo shoots, veggies along with those sauces that Jisoo loves. You didn't say anything. I thought you have the same food preferences as her. Just like me, we both love spicy food, adore sushi, and have a weakness for anything like chocolate. It makes going out for meals together so much easier. Ah, you're still allergic to seafood, right, Jisoo? Yeah. Just what the hell is she boasting? She hasn't said a word to me or even looked at me once ever since I told them I'd spend the night over. Why am I suddenly so bothered by her presence? Even if they don't interact with each other, there's this undeniable chemistry between them. It's like they have a secret language that I'm not a part of. Why do I feel so left out? This is ridiculous. Kim Jisoo, she deserves to have friends and to be happy. She's just a lonely kid like me after all. I should have been supportive. I should encourage her to spend time with her friends. It's obvious she doesn't want me here. Maybe I'm just being possessive and insecure. But it's getting infuriating the more I think of it. How effortlessly she brought up that smile, that sparkle in her eyes. Her childhood friend is outgoing, fun, and everything that I'm not. Maybe I'm just annoyed of her confident nature. Because she makes me feel like an outsider in my own relationship. Ah, where are you going, Erin? Home. Jisoo, ah, what's wrong? How could she do that? She always comes and goes without a single word. How could she do that to me? Gasp, no way. Impossible, impossible. Alright, let's do some research. What does it mean when your heart races around someone? Anxiety or panic disorder, due to the release of hormones like adrenaline and dopamine. Underlying heart condition, such as arrhythmias or tachycardia. 5 reasons you feel anxious around someone. Sometimes, the heart knows what the mind refuses to acknowledge. Well, that doesn't apply to me. I know what I'm feeling. I think my heart is beating really loud. Hello, I'm worried because my heart seems to be beating loudly since 3 to 4 days ago. I suspect arrhythmia or something like that, so I'm holding my pulse dozens of times a day. But no dizziness or chest pain whatsoever. When I see her ex, I feel like my heart beats louder and I'm very anxious. Scroll, zoom. Hi, have you considered taking a quiz test? They can provide some insights and prompts for self-reflection. What a load of nonsense. 1. How often do thoughts of this person occupy your mind? A. Constantly. They're always on my mind. B. Frequently. I think about them a lot. C. Occasionally. They cross my mind from time to time. D. Rarely. I don't think about them much. Teen. When you have a disagreement or conflict, how do you react? A. It deeply affects me. I want to resolve it and preserve the relationship. B. I address it calmly and try to find a resolution. C. I often avoid conflict or shut down emotionally. D. I don't really care about resolving conflicts with them. How do you behave around this person? A. I'm more affectionate and romantic than usual. B. I treat them with care and respect. C. I act somewhat differently, unsure of how to be around them. D. My behavior doesn't change when I'm with them. How do you feel when this person shows affection or attention to someone else? A. Jealous, disappointed, frustrated and somewhat hurt. B. It may bother me, but I understand it's normal. C. I don't really care or it doesn't affect me. D. I'm genuinely happy for them. First attack. 3-hit combo. X33. 1500 PTS. Oh, look who it is. The one who don't even know my phone number. Hold on. It's not that important. Save it. Get out of my life. Jisoo, I can't believe you're still being so nice to her. I thought you were close friends. It's not fair the way she treated you. You can't keep sacrificing your own happiness for someone who doesn't see your worth. Come to think of it, it seems like there's something deeper going on with her. Rather than trying to understand her, perhaps It's time to consider if this is the kind of relationship you deserve. I don't know, but it's like she's always finding a way to distance herself from me. Jisoo, why are you trying to find an excuse for her? When we finally became friends, I thought maybe it was my chance. Even if it seems like I was just fooling myself. I thought maybe if I held on long enough, she would realize how much I like her. I saw the worst of hers. When she lost her temper and when she cried, I witnessed everything. Erin might be going through her own struggles. Whether Erin has some unresolved issues of her own or not, the way she treated you like some kind of game cannot be justified. I know. She always gives me unclear signals. I'll forget everything about her someday. Congratulations. You love her. You good, yesn't? Since that day, we never talked again. It's like she has lost interest in using me as a source of amusement. I'm uncertain whether Erin's action is out of anger or consideration for my feelings. At least, she allows me the space I need with my friend, unlike the unexpected visit before. If this were to go on, it's a blessing in disguise. All of our problems would be over. Erin, is something bothering you? You seem distant lately, especially with Jisoo. Ugh, Jisoo was just getting too clingy. You know how I am. I just told her I needed some space. I thought you two were getting along really well. What changed? Annie, it's complicated. You wanna talk? I don't know what to do. I always saw Jisoo as just a friend. But she wants something serious. So you created a barrier between the two of you. Oh. Erin, you are just scared of getting hurt or opening yourself up to someone. I understand that you're protecting yourself. Just try to put yourself in Jisoo's shoes for a moment. You have a habit of pushing people away when they get too close. She genuinely cared about you, and to abruptly cut her off like that might hurt her deeply. Jaehyun Annie is always a considerate person. Witnessing her and teacher being so close, it just left me feeling awful. There's no deeper meaning behind it. But whenever I see them together. Stupid. Wait, did you find yourself falling for Jisoo? Ridiculous. What's so good about her? Girls like her are on every street corner. Vice President. Oh, Jisoo, what did you come here for? Is Yoonba here, Sunbae? She called me earlier. Yeah, she's here. I'll call her for you. Thanks, Jaehyun Sunbae. Glance. What was that mark? Don't tell she and that girl. Jisoo, your neck, on. Don't mind this. Earlier it just. Shush, let's talk elsewhere. Hey, Erin, what are you doing? Hey, let go of me. What are you doing? I said let go of me. Young Erin, what's the issue with you? Why did you drag me here? The problem is you. I can't believe you have the audacity to act so innocent. How can you show up at school with a visible kissing mark on your neck? See for yourself. What the hell this is? Ah, that thing. Why is everyone so curious about that? You, dumb. Anybody who sees this suspicious mark would undoubtedly raise questions. Where did you get that from? Wait, I have no intention of sharing this with you. It's not like you care. Was it so important that I don't care? Considering our past relationship, whether as friends or girlfriends, can't you just simply answer? I don't want to answer. We were not involved in any relationship. We both know how it ended and why. You are the one who pretended to like me. It was all a game to you. Why bother with me now if you always looked down on me? I didn't expect our meeting to be pleasant. I guess I should have known better, so stop feeding me false hope. I beg you. Are you saying you still like me? What? Haha. Yeah, I still have feelings for you. I wish I could say that I hate you. That I despise you for toying with my emotions. I want to be angry with you, to lash out and make you feel the pain you caused me. You clearly never intended to reciprocate my feelings. Does it make a difference whether I still like you or not? It doesn't change the fact that the person you like is Jaehyun Annie, not me. Kiss Hazli. Push. Nothing's going to change that. Ahem. I know things got complicated, and my actions might have come across as rude. But there's something I need to tell you. I've been feeling this weird confusion. It's like I suddenly realized that maybe, just maybe tremble. What's wrong with you? Why did you kiss me? I thought you liked Jaehyun and me. I kiss you because I want to. And who said anything about Jaehyun and me? Why do you have to bring her up anyway? Listen, I want to apologize to you for my past behavior. Ugh, wait. So, you mean that you do? You're just kiss. No, are you telling me that you? I don't like you. You got me. I don't like you. Oh, okay. What do you mean by okay? Shouldn't we consider dating each other now? No, why should I date someone who don't like me? Are you stupid? Yeah, Kim Jisoo, you're not playing hard to get, are you? I don't believe you. Who knows if you wanna fool me again? You are dating Kang Yuna. What? No. Take off your clothes, then. Can I stop now? You, Young, Erin, you've gone too far. Why must you drag me into this? I won't strip anymore. Don't come any closer. Shut up. You are starting to annoy me. Ugh, whatever, just cut the games and tell me what you want, or leave already. What if someone walks in and catches us? You'll be in trouble, then. What? Why only me? Why not you? You also face troubles, don't you? You come in with me. 'Cause that I'm not embarrassed about anything. It's not like I'm looking to do anything disgraceful or have you as a meal. Besides, didn't you undress on your own? I haven't even laid a finger on you. And you think it's cool to show off at school like that? What? That hella thing. I see only one kiss mark, correct? Even if there's still more to it, what does it have to do with you? Do you want a punch? You are so violent, that's why I had to listen to you and take off my shirt. Can you not make me do things I don't like? I'm sorry. Sorry, I just wanted to know if there are more of those marks on your body. Well, you see, it's just, a small accident. Then tell me it's just a bug bite. Bug, it's not. It's just Frenna. Never mind. It's better if you don't know. Why shouldn't I know? Quickly tell me, was it Jisoo? Jisoo, are you in here? I heard your voice but wasn't sure if it was you. Smile. Be quiet and play along with me. Walk. Or else I'll let her know we're in here together. Kiss her. Don't answer her. Jisoo, is it you? Jisoo, gasp, grip. Yeah, I'm here. Initiate. Stop. Jisoo, what's wrong? I heard strange noise from outside earlier. I'm okay. It's just that. Jisoo, what's wrong? Please tell me. No, I'm just fixing my makeup. Is that so? Sigh, I was worried you might be injured. Your voice seems different. Jisoo, what are you whispering? I saw a bug. Yeah, a bug. I don't like it. Phew, thank God it's not a spider. Anyway, Yunpa. Yes, I'm on period. My stomach hurts so bad. Yunpa, do you have any pills with you? May I take a tablet? Oh yeah, I do. Does it hurt a lot? Yeah. Then, hold on for a second here. I'll be right back. Rush. She left. Get away. Why didn't you just listen to me? I told you not to talk to her. She almost fell. Get away. What? I said get away. Push. Jisoo, where are you going? Jisoo, I'm sorry. Why? Are you running again? Kim Jisoo? Don't touch me. What? I told you I'm sorry. What's wrong with you? Stop saying sorry when you barely felt so. You were so wrapped up in your fantasy that you failed to see how much shame I experienced when Yunpa spoke to me earlier. It was plain to see I didn't enjoy it. What prevented you from respecting my feelings? I didn't mean to make you feel that way. But you did. Because you refused to tell me if you got that hickey from Yuna. If you hadn't talked to her, I wouldn't have had to tea. Who are you to interfere? Is that why you kissed me? 'Cause that you detest the thought of someone thieving your toy? I've never said that. But your actions are shouting it. I hate you. If you're never sincere, don't make me look forward to it. Past. She hates me. G. Close. I don't like this feeling. What is it? What's wrong with me actually? Just what's gotten into me again? I messed everything up now. I initiated the kiss, but it just ended up worsening her hurt. Hesitate. No, all of this has to stop. 3 days later. Yeah, Kim Jisoo. I think I like you. Let's see what happens next. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa, I hate you and I like you. Chapter 8. December 6 2:02 seconds. Erin. Young Erin. Are you off your head? I just went out for a little while and you've downed all this alcohol. You're finally back, Kim Jisoo. Come sweetie, come drink with me. Looks like the alcohol hit you hard. I'll whip up some tea to help you sober up. I don't want to sober up. What? I just saw you there in my dream, the you from 10 years ago. What can I do now? I miss you so much. Why the thoughts of me? I'm right here. What was your dream about? Those good old days. Mom, Yoon, Dottie and me. Jaehyun and me. Rin too. I want to go back to those days though. You made me fall to the point of despair. Hey, don't drink. Just let me be. You loved me, right? Jisoo, Kim Jisoo. Jisoo. How did you find it acceptable to treat me so poorly? Get away, I'll never forgive you. If only I hadn't expressed myself that way. December 6 2:01 seconds. I think I like you. It was the day we began our mistakes. Take it. I know it might be late, but I hope you don't mind it. This is a love letter. Young, Erin, you are not mixing up your meds, are you? Blush. Arg. A sudden crowd. Why now of all times? Yes, someone get a video of this. Mama, isn't that young Erin? Is she gay? Did you just hear that? This is going to be the gossip of the year. Click. I'm going to post this all over social media. Mama, this is gonna be a lot of fun. But who's that ugly? I never thought she would be Erin's type. Jisung, Jisoo. Whatever. Don't you think it's strange to see two girls, eh? Shut up. Quit gossiping and recording this like it's some reality show. Don't you have other things to do? If she wants to tell something, she has every right to do it without being humiliated. That's her life and her choice. What? You are jealous. Nobody confesses to you. What the hell, who wants a confession from a person like her? Then mind your own business. Or else those phones of yours might end up needing repairs. Do you believe it? Let's leave. Guys, I heard that girl A runs into taekwondo. Geez, I hate to deal with these sorts of people right now. Losers. I can't believe Erin actually keeps this letter. I wrote this one for her last year. Even though she rejected me, I thought she would trash it away on the way back. What took her so long to finish that? Dear Erin, I don't know how to say this. There's something I've been carrying in my heart for quite some time now, something I've been wanting to tell you for what feels like forever. Yet, every time I see you, I'm overwhelmed with nervousness and the words seem to escape me. So, I thought I'd put my feelings into writing, in the hope that you might someday read this and understand how deeply I feel for you. I watch you from afar, not in a creepy way, I promise. I understand if this letter comes as a surprise to you, and I apologize if it makes you uncomfortable. That's the last thing I want. I just couldn't keep these feelings bottled up inside me any longer. I like you. Whether or not you ever read this or know that I exist, I'll always cherish the moments I've spent admiring you from afar. I like you too, Kim Jisoo. Gulp. So, you really like me. What no I mean? Yes, I mean, just a little bit. Just this much. You see, it's not a big deal. Like this. Okay, thanks for being honest, even if it's just a little bit. Then, there's something I need to tell you too, Erin. Yeah, what is it? It's about the hickey on my neck that day. It was from Yunpa. She confessed to me. What did you say? She confessed. How? When? She bit you too. How could she do that? Hold on. That's a bunch of questions. Just answer me directly. Gimme a sec to process. 4 days ago, the movie, it was so sad, Jisoo ah. It really was. We went to the cinema to help me cope with my heartbreak. Little did we know, the movie would end up affecting Yunpa even more deeply. Yunpa turned out to have low alcohol tolerance. She accidentally drank a gulp of wine that had been served to her by mistake in the restaurant before the movie. You see, it wasn't supposed to be mine and they had the same color. Now everything feels so dizzy. Can you still walk? I'll give you a piggyback ride back to your place. You are too good to me, Jisoo. Could you take responsibility for everything you said? What if I started falling for you? That caught me off guard, as if she really liked me. Ah, wait Yunpa, what are you? Then she leaned in and bit my neck, playfully, and soon fell asleep. So, that's it. Yeah, she's just drunk and saying things. That doesn't count a confession, you know. Awkward. I know, she was in no condition to have a serious conversation, you wouldn't believe it. She even faceplanted on the way back home, literally. So, you really gave her a piggyback ride? Almost. What do you mean by almost? It's a secret. Why are you jealous? You're not my girlfriend. Hey, where are you going? Stupid. I forgot she hasn't okayed my conf. Not your business. OMG. I'm so bad, it must have been uneasy for her to come clean about her feelings. Chuckle. I shouldn't have teased her like that. Read it a third time. Did Young Erin just drip you a love letter? Who are you? Speak Ash. What a disgusting relationship. Who are you? Geez, you don't know me. Chol Sanjay, you don't know. Why should I know any of you? What do you want? You and Young Erin, what a joke. She's like the most popular girl in the school. You don't match up. This is crazy. Why would someone like her go for someone like you? Not to mention you are a girl. Wait Sanjay, look at her. Yeah, I just saw her up close now. She's actually looking fine. Her pimples disappeared into thin air. Now that you said, I just realized it. I remembered her skin was crazy dry. No wonder Young Erin and her became besties out of the blue. OMG, I'm really baffled. Love really has its way of transforming a duck into a swan. Haha. Yeah, don't be stupid. That's not love, is it? Right. How can there be such things between two girls? Then what are we going to do with Young Erin? What can we do with her? She knows taekwondo. Yeah, I had a memory flash. She cracked 2 of your front teeth way back in the first year. Shut up. Deserved. I'll report this to the school office. What report? What to the school office? All of you. How crazy. Do you have proof? Man, I wish I could give her a piece of my mind. How frustrating. Hey, there's no reason to use violence. She's hanging with the student council. Do you want to die? But it's all in good fun. Occasionally, next time when I need to vent and you're my closest target. Got it? Ha. Pit. More than one bottle might be involved. Ha. Let's bet on when she'll fess us up to the school office. OMG, scary. Ha. Thank goodness it didn't get drenched. Next morning, did you see what happened yesterday? So weird. I don't know why the video hasn't been posted. Wet as it removed. Our school must have done something about this. I don't want to come near them anymore. Me neither. It's lucky that the winter break is around the corner. We gotta hit the road and leave this awkward gossiping behind, shouldn't we? Jisoo, how does a week trip to Gangwon sound to you? Too funny, I mean. I'm going to. Did you get your mom's permission? I did. Perfect, count us in. So Erin confessed her feelings to Jisoo and some students filmed it. I was shocked when I heard about it. What's even more surprising is that for some reason the video hasn't been posted online. But even with it going public, the principal's definitely gonna take it down. Has her mom been informed about this? Oh, don't think so. We pretend it never happened. Things just turn out the way I thought. There are still some unpredictable consequences though. Teacher, I have something to ask you. I was wondering if I could go skiing with them next weekend. It's just a 1-week trip. Skiing where? The new resort that opened in Gangwon. Your CSAT scores are about to be released. Just ensure you're back in time for any upcoming university application related activities. Ahaha, don't worry. I promise I won't let you down. HMM. Humming. Attention all passengers, please make your way to the bus. We're about to set off. Pull. Whoosh. Stay properly in your seats for safety, please. X Resort. I apologize. We're currently experiencing a high demand season, so there are only 3 single rooms left. Thank you, it should be fine. So it looks like 2 of us will have to room together. I think we could draw straws to distribute the room fairly. 5 minutes later. Smirk. Alright, Erin and Jisoo will be roommates for this trip. Let's take a rest first, shall we? Ugh, I can't calm myself down. Can't believe that I'll be sharing a bed with Erin tonight. No, we will sleep together for a whole week. Adha 3/6 nights. What takes her so long in there? Kya I'm gonna share same bed with Erin tonight? The same bed, it's the freaking same bed. Jump. Just the thought of waking up every morning and seeing her right here next to me. Turn. Feels like a dream comes true. What happened? Rush. Jisoo, where are you? Jisoo. Hey there, I was just checking if the floor was cold or not. Haha, you're no for science. Gosh, it's so awkward. I didn't know it would be so hard to face her. Grip. Yeah. This big bed is here and you choose the floor. Are you not cold down there? No, I am fine. This might be more comfortable for you. More comfortable than the bed, seriously. Ugh, I'm not cold and it's not about the bed. I just thought that you would be both. It's my first time sharing a bed with someone besides her. Turn. The most recent memory I have is of sleeping beside my mom when I was cute. Everything's still confusing to me. But I'd prefer not to be burdened with guilt if you end up with a cold tomorrow. You see, it's not my fault that there's only one bed in this room. If you have a problem with it, take it up with the hotel, not me. You don't mind if I sleep with you? First every corner of the bed, then the floor. And now this. Are you going to take the blanket all for yourself? Yeah, Kim Jisoo, talk to me. Why are you avoiding me? Did I do something wrong again? You didn't. Just tomorrow's gonna be a busy day, so let's sleep. Fine. I'll kick you off the bed if I hear your snore. I do not snore. Stupid. Sunday morning.
December 2012.
Blink. The first thing I noticed was the sensation of someone close beside me. WTF is on earth? Why are we together? My clothes are still in place. It's already 9:30. How did I sleep in so late? She's sound asleep. Open the doors. Open the door. We've been waiting here for over 10 minutes. When did it become so close? What are you two doing in there? Wow, this is like a burst of energy, so refreshing. OMG Jisoo, yeah, it's been years. I can't believe you're still skiing like a pro and you're not even using ski poles now. Absolutely Jisoo, I guess you've got a natural talent for this. You look so graceful and confident out there. Absolutely Jisoo, I guess you've got a natural talent for this. You look so graceful and confident out there. It's so impressive to see you glide down the slopes like that. No, it's nothing like a talent. It's all thanks to my uncle. He guided me since I was very young. You've inspired me, Jisoo. I'm determined to improve my skills too, and who knows, maybe I'll ski like you one day. I have no doubt you can do it, Yunpa. This feels so uncomfortable. It's my first time skiing. Will I fall? Nah, I'm not going to let them see my vulnerability now. Is there a way for me to vanish from their sight? This is nothing, I'll figure this out by myself. Tremble. I just need to keep my cool, watch and learn from them, then I can perfectly blend in. Erin, come, what are you doing right there? Let's play together. Actually, Erin, I couldn't help but notice you haven't moved a bit yet. Is everything okay?
Of course, I'm fine. Just taking a moment to enjoy the scenery.
Oh, I see. I thought that you are a newbie who needs some help. I would be happy to teach you the basics. What did you just say? Smirk. Huh, I'm sure I ski quite well. There's nothing I can't get once I felt the desire to. UK. Alright, now, let's see who's the better skier. Surprise. Roll. Silent. Roll. Erin, be careful. Darn it. Jisoo, Erin. Hey Jisoo. You can't go down there, it's too risky, she's so fast. But our friend. We're gonna send a rescue team, the storm is closing in. Storm. Erin. Erin, where are you? Erin, young Erin. Erin, do you hear me? Where are you? Here, I'm here. OMG, you're still alive, Erin. Hang in there, I'm getting the snow off you now. Be gentle, I've put a lot of effort into my hair, don't you dare bear break it. Alright. Done. Silent. Thank God you're safe, Erin. I was so worried, my heart felt like it stopped when I saw you falling. It's not even a big deal. Are you hurt anywhere? You couldn't ski. What's driving your challenge of Yunpa? I hate to rely on anyone, I've always learned everything on my own. Oh really? So you are saying you didn't need me to come looking for you in the middle of a snowstorm? So I wouldn't find you buried in snow clinging to your ski poles for dear life? Ok. Ugh. Blair, young Erin, you meanie, I came to your rescue, can't you see it? I didn't ask you to, and who allowed you to parrot my tone? Well, I didn't come because you asked, I did it because you're my friend. Maybe you don't need me, but I need to be here for you, I care about you. Well yeah, we're only friends, don't risk your safety just easily like that. Shiver, I shouldn't give her that letter, it's been 2 weeks and she still acts like nothing happened. Silent. Put this on. I said mind your own business, I'm not cold. It's hard not to care about someone I like. Let's make it right this time. Can we? Silent. Smile. Peeved. Why are you closing your eyes? Bang. Hey, sorry, I just couldn't help it. Get the FCK out of my sight. Wait, Erin, don't walk too far. I think a snowstorm is coming. Leave me alone. Can we stop here to talk it out first? I'm sorry for ruining the mood, actually I've still got something to ask you. I wanna make sure that you are alright. I don't know what kind of mood you are talking about, don't flatter yourself. I want a committed relationship. Really worry about what you think of me. I want something genuine, I hope that's what you're looking for as well. Silent. You know, this time it must be different from before. We might go out after class, movie night together, hold hands, hugs, kisses and even more stuff like that. Are you sure it's what you want to do with me? Then why don't we get back to what we were doing before? So that you'll know if I want it or not. Silent. Pull. You must not regret it. Censored. Kiss. Kiss deeply. Turn. Are her lips always this soft? Hi, hum. You are not allowed to do this with anyone other than me, remember? Hum. Turn. OMG, she's suddenly so obedient. Finally the two of you have returned. We've been waiting here for ages. Did you both get caught in the terrible storm? Erin, why were you limping? Oh, it's nothing serious. I took a longer route. My feet are just a little sore. Staff member told us the storm was quite fierce. We feared the worst. Sorry for making you worrying. It's already getting so dark out here. But there's nothing to worry about with me here. Nothing can hurt Erin. Cool. Right, you can always count on me. Silent. Oh haha, you two appear to have grown closer. That's good news. I'm curious what happened. What's gotten into you? People are starting to notice. Aren't we together? What's the issue? Push. Oh wait, don't draw unnecessary attention. Keep your distance. Shove. Speaking of which, Erin, how you're foul. Did you hurt yourself badly? When you feel it right? I'm fine, really, don't worry. Annie. And your beanie, it flew off when you fell, right? It's freezing out here. You really need to take care of yourself. We wouldn't want you falling ill, especially in this weather. I know, I'll be more careful next time. Silent. I told you I'm okay. Don't you hear me well? Yeah, Kim Jisoo. It's just a small scratch. This much means nothing to me. Rub. What are you doing? 15 minutes ago. Alright. So, Erin's been crushing on perfect someone for so long. She's amazing. Like, excellent in everything. Prettier than you, smarter than you, taller than you, more considerate than you. Yeah, and you still agreed to get back to her. Yeah, she says she likes me. But Yunpa, I want Erin to see me the way she saw this person. I wanna make her fall for harder for me. Do you have any idea? Beg me. Begging you. Well, seduce her. Nani. And if she still doesn't care about you, that's her loss. You fell hard. I'm giving you a massage. Silent. Caress. Need. Press. Press. Let's see what happens next. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.